Greetings, friends. This is Manny Gonzales from Horizon Beverage Company, and we're here to pair a little bit more music and a little bit more wine. And today we're pairing Albert Bichot's Domaine Long de Paquis from Chablis. This is all estate fruit from a very famous vineyard called Zakopane, and we're pairing that with Takenobu. Takenobu is a cello player from Vermont with Japanese heritage, and this is from his album called The Introduction, and this is the song Deeper Than the Vine. Albert Bichot was founded in 1831, but the family's lineage in Burgundy dates back to the 1350s. And this is their estate from Chablis, Long de Paquis. We're in a vineyard called Zakopane, as I mentioned before, and it's what we call a Premier Cru vineyard. You have two main designations for vineyards, for single vineyards in Chablis: Grand Cru, which are 7 parcels of one hillside, which are the most probably important vineyards for Chardonnay in the world. And then you have Premier Crus, which is the next level down, and that's what Zakopane is. Typically, wines from Chablis are minerally, steely, and lemony, and this wine definitely has those components to it. But because this vineyard is up on a hillside, because it has better aspect of sun, better drainage, you have a wine that has a lot more extraction. And so they will typically add a little bit of oak. This is about 15% older oak barrel, which really helps relax some of the austerity that these wines can have. Typically, when you're talking about Chardonnay, people think of California, they think, or Southern Burgundy, where there's a lot of oak. And the reason why there is more oak in these wines is because they're riper wines, they're sweeter wines typically. And the reason why we add oak to sweeter wines, what it'll do is it'll mask some of those sugar levels. In the same way, in the Manhattan, the bitters are going to relax the sweetness of the vermouth and bring out the aromatics. That's exactly what is happening here with this wine.
Feelings had been clearly heard. It's 5 o'clock somewheres, open up the razor cold. The midnight man is drunk downstairs. He's sitting in the dark, drinking whiskey on the rocks, and he just don't wanna be nobody no more. You just don't wanna be nobody no more. You just don't want to. You just don't want to. You just don't want to. You just don't want to be.
What I really love about this pairing and why it seems so fitting to me, if you listen to the music, and not just the intensity of the music right now, but if you listen to the structure of the cello, that's almost like the oak notes to this wine. But as he's going up and up and up on the neck of the cello, it almost sounds like the strings are about to pop. There's an incredible tension to this wine, or to this music, and to this wine as well. And to me, those are the bright acidic notes, those lemony notes from the Chablis that gives the wine this kind of bright, jovial feel to it, like the Gigondas we had a couple days ago. But there's a little bit more complexity on the aromas. There's a lot of little nuances going on here. If you're listening to the music, there's a lot happening within that moment. To me, this is exactly what I'm getting from this wine. I hope you enjoy. Cheers.